CG Bathrooms Limited, transforming bathrooms with expertise and care. We specialize in bathroom, shower room, wet room, and walk-in shower installations, renovations, and updates. From small to large bathrooms, including en-suites, we deliver high-quality finishes from floor to ceiling, including painting. Our team ensures exceptional quality, handling plumbing, carpentry, lighting, furniture installation, tiling, and waterproofing with precision. Serving Southwest London, we bring expertise and dedication to every project. Your peace of mind is our priority. We are fully protected with £2 million public liability insurance, giving you comprehensive coverage. We accept professional service fees with an option to include materials at a 20% markup. By choosing us, you'll benefit from our reliability, attention to detail, and commitment to delivering UK standard, high-quality work. Contact CG Bathrooms Limited today to schedule your consultation. Call us at 0745 666389 or send us an email cgbathroomslimited@gmail.com and visit our website www.cgbathroomslimited.co.uk and fill out the form, and we'll get back to you as soon as possible.